3 simple time management strategies for new women business owners. Go from time waster to time maven. Do you ever find yourself at the end of the day wondering what exactly you accomplished? Does this happen to you consistently? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. Small business owners, solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, and others who are self employed struggle with this feeling all the time. It can seem like an amazing feat to finish the day knowing that you were productive. For most of us, it never feels like we have enough hours in the day. But the reality is that you do have the time you need. It's just being taken up by non essential tasks that are overburdening you and getting in the way of what's important. When you're spinning your wheels in this way, even your best efforts don't get you any closer to your goals. It's as if you're running in place on a treadmill. No matter how hard you push yourself, you'll never go anywhere. If you work for yourself, you, of all people, can't afford to throw away precious minutes in your day. Rather than trying to find more time, you need to better manage the time you already have. This is as easy as mastering 3 simple strategies that you can apply to all of your work, every day, every week, and every month. The key is to think of these strategies as 3 P's that follow a step-by-step order. Prioritize, plan, produce. In this short course, you'll learn the best practices for each of these steps and how to implement them effectively. Follow the 3 P's of time management every day and you'll experience a huge boost in your productivity. You'll get off that time treadmill that goes nowhere and jump onto a clear path to achieving your goals. Action steps. Start by clarifying your business goals. Review your current business goals and write them down on your worksheet, dividing them up based on short-term and long-term. Set specific milestones and deadlines for each goal. What current time management issues are you facing? Identify areas where you're wasting time. Note why you think these are an issue. Highlight issues you want to focus on resolving as you go through this course. In step 1, you will learn how to prioritize your to-do list.